Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on the Scion FR-S, which is one of the main builds on our channel, World Mechanics, and we'll show you how to remove and replace that bulb right there, turn signal and park light as well. The one down there, actually we'll show you how to do that. We're using this brand LED bulbs. We'll replace the factory ones with LED, but if you have a burnt factory one, we'll show you how to do that. The procedure is the same, so stay with us now. We'll see what it's gonna look like, and if they look good, how it is and how complicated it is to replace those actually. Okay, so just opening those now. They're packaged pretty good. It comes in a little nice box. Those are the bulbs, LED bulbs, and we'll show you what the factory one looks like. Stay with us. So we're going to show you guys on the right side, passenger side. So we need to remove those three clips right there. You need to pull the center piece out, and then the rest of the clip, you can see what it looks like. Okay, just like that. And then now you can open, guys, you can see the fender liner, and you twist the bulb counterclockwise about 30 degrees. That's the original bulb, guys. So you grab it and you just pull it out. That's how simple it is. That's what a stock bulb looks like. And we have the LED here, which should be the same. Okay, you just push those in, pretty simple, and we're just going to go ahead and install them. Okay, you can see where it is in the hole. And now you have to turn clockwise about 30 degrees when you get in the slots there. And all you have to do is just push the three clips now, which is pretty simple. You can just push the outside and then the rest of it. Okay, just like that. You can see, and let's see how that one is now. See if it looks any better than stock bulbs. So let's turn the lights on now. Okay guys, let's see what it looks like now, the LED bulbs. Okay, you can see it's pretty awesome actually. You can see we have the light here, so we have the aftermarket lights. We have a video on that one as well, and that's the stock bulb. You can barely see it. I don't know, it just doesn't look as good. And we'll have the link actually, guys, in the description below. So if you wanna check them out, we got them on Amazon. They're not very expensive at all, and you can check it out and get you some if you like them, if you need to replace them. They look pretty good. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.